Oh yeah. I think it's like 25.
I've started doing it really now.
Yeah, 25 or 35, I think. Can't remember.
You feel like a little pop in there.
Yeah. Super tight here. There.
I haven't been able to really train hamstrings that much recently. Well, since my bad back, just because I don't really want to aggravate it. I've been doing like very light stuff on my glutes.
Mm-hmm.
Not too much on hamstrings. Ooh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, that there is really tight. It's the glute. It's like 2 stays up.
Ooh. I'm trying my best to relax, mate. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Getting there. A daily massage in the Philippines just to get the.
To be fair, yeah, I could probably actually get a few massages out there, but it's going to be cheap and that.
Yeah.
Not the same as a Thai massage, but. Oh, God. I've got chain legs as well after this.
Now you tell me, okay, maybe I should look at them. Hammering on them.
Is it a bad thing to massage then train rather than train and massage?
Yeah, it's not just because I'm stretching everything. So when you try and get the contraction, you might not get it. So you just need to make sure you warm up really well.
Yeah.
I'm going ham on it, especially like.
These quad stairs.
I started the training plan for my things changed as well. So this week I started. Yeah, gosh.
What's it like? What's the difference between what you'd normally be?
It's kind of like
more high intensity stuff.
Yeah, it's kind of very more focused on like groups and muscles and stuff now. So before it used to be like upper and included multiple push pull kind of bits and bobs, like just that of general. Now it's just like all arms, like all legs, all very 4 times as well.
Oh God.
With steps and
Heavy lifts it.
Yeah.
Cardio as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you do Muay Thai, don't you?
Yeah, I use that as one of my it's like maybe 30 minutes 2 times a week, so I kind of just do Muay Thai in one day mid-session.
Maybe that's my way to get out of it every time.
Yeah, I'm training
I'll tell you
today,
next, man. Actually, yeah, doing a hip flexor session in particular.
That's your game. Not today. Yeah. You know, do you have clients that do that? I think they purposely say that somewhere else in their body's hurting, so I focus on that, and then I go, let's have a little scan of the rest of the body, and they go like, oh shit.
Nah, you're not allowed in there.
Yeah. The lats. That's near.
Yeah.
Oh, that's subscapular. Your arms are probably a good ones.
Climbing, yeah.
I see you've been climbing more.
Yeah.
I feel like last time I went there, I did like one of their open days at the climb here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was really good, but they're all broken. It's almost like it's not on the radar that massage exists for them. They're quite into the community. Seems to be like the voodoo frosting, like the blood restricted bands and stuff. Which I'm like, well, that's half of it. Like, not even half of it. Like,
no, that's like one little.
get a massage.
Yeah.
Like, instead of starve it for oxygen, how about you give it oxygen?
Yeah. Let it heal, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, you get in there again. Had all the instructors come out at one point. That's quite cool. But I think they're all kind of moved on and doing. It's a whole new team now, so.
No, fair. That's a good shout actually. You had to go to like sports clubs, gymnastics places.
Yeah. The problem is though with all these kind of things, like I would do them once, and then I'd be like, cool, I've got some contacts in there. That'll work, and and then. A few months later or 6 months later, the whole team's changed.
Oh yeah.
And then they don't know me again, so then I have to go in again.
Go back
Hi, you don't know me, but the people from last time had this deal going. It's like,
I know.
just really tight over the joint.
Yeah.
I feel like you
It's like a guitar string.
yeah.
Yeah.
We'll take up again, so.